My brother came to my house and told me that my husband had been in an accident.
Hurt in a car wreck? Let us take care of everything.
Once we hired him, I had all the confidence that we would make it.
Call 1-800-687-5990.
The insurance company knew that Danny Cline would not be steamrolled.
Call us and find out about the money the insurance company's not telling you about.
When I saw the check, it just didn't seem real.
I'm attorney Danny Cline, the heavy hitter. Hurt in a car wreck and need your money? Just look up. Inside are the smiling faces of people that want to help you, will listen to your trouble, and start work right away. We're experienced lawyers, backed by professionals, working hard to get you the money you deserve. I may be the only one you see on TV, but there's a whole lot more in this great house than just me. Car wreck? Just look up. Call me, attorney Danny Cline.
I love the tough cases. I like being able to help people, to give them the wherewithal to put things back together. Take, for example, a coal mining case. Usually it involves catastrophic injuries. I've worked at coal mines, I've worked with miners, I understand the issues that are involved. We spare no expense or resource in handling our clients' cases. We provide top-notch legal service to every client we have, regardless of the size of their case. We're attorneys Farmer, Cline, and Campbell, and I'm Robert Campbell.
People come to us all the time with problems they don't think there are solutions for. We can help those people. We can make their lives better. We can solve their problems.
We spare no expense or resource in handling our clients' cases. We provide top-notch legal service to every client we have, regardless of the size of their case.
So when you look up at this house, know it to be a place where you can find help and hope. We're attorneys Farmer, Cline, and Campbell. I'm Steve Farmer.
I'm Danny Cline.
And I'm Robert Campbell.
Trying to collect Social Security disability benefits? You're about to meet the paper storm.
There could be forms, phone calls, and a lot of frustration.
Call Farmer, Cline, and Campbell, and Sean will jump right in.
We know the system and how to get your claim prompt attention.
We'll quiet the storm and work to get your benefits flowing. Imagine this is your car. Imagine you get in a wreck. Injuries cost money. Doctor bills, lost wages, pain and suffering. We can get you more because we know about the money that the insurance company won't tell you about. And we get nothing unless you get paid. Imagine, we do all the work with no money up front, and we could get you more. Call Star Law on your mobile or 346-5990 on any phone.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 346-5990.
We had 3 operations, and they still don't know us.
If you've been denied your Social Security benefits, call us.
We're Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
Aunt Tootie told us to come to Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
We know the system and how to make it work for you.
Everything worked out. They know what they're doing.
Need help with Social Security? Call 346-5990.
If it wasn't for Farmer, Cline, and Campbell and Sean Taylor, we would still be fighting today.
Let us put the sunshine back in your life.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 346-5990.
There's the car in my lane and we just hit head on.
Hurt in a car wreck? Call us. We're Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
Dealing with the insurance company just didn't sit right with me.
The thing about Jamie's case is that the other driver didn't have enough insurance coverage, and Jamie's insurer didn't want to pay what she deserved.
One I actually ended up with is about 6 times more than what the insurance company was trying to offer me.
Call Farmer, Cline, and Campbell. We're in it to win it.
If I didn't have Farmer, Cline, and Campbell, I wouldn't have gotten what I got.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 346-5990.
We were hit head-on by a drunk driver.
Car wreck? Call us and we'll take it from there.
You found money where you wouldn't have even thought that you could have found money at.
Mary's own insurance company tried to exclude her on a technicality, but we got a hold of the insurance policy and we were able to prove to them that they owed her and we got them to pay her.
I really am lucky that I got a lawyer like Danny Cline.
Call Farmer, Cline, and Campbell. We're in it to win it.
If I ever need a lawyer, he's on speed dial.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 346-5990.
I was involved in a head-on collision while I was on duty as a paramedic.
Car wreck? Call us and we'll take it from there.
The other insurance company contacted me and wanted to settle immediately.
Want to get the insurance company's attention? Tell them you're going to call us.
Once I contacted them, I didn't have any more fears.
Christine's an EMT. Her job is helping others. We were honored to help her.
I am here to tell people that they can trust Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
Call us. We're in it to win it.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 346-5990.
When he hit me, my motorcycle spun to the left.
Hurt? Call us and we'll take care of everything.
The insurance company attempted to lowball me on an offer.
Roger came in angry because the insurance company had made a ridiculous offer in his case.
I resented it a lot, to the point that I sought out Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
We took care of Roger, and Roger's not angry anymore.
They took care of everything from day one.
Call Farmer, Cline, and Campbell. We're in it to win it.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 346-5990.
There's a roller fell out of the structure and hit me and hurt my right arm, my back, my pelvis.
When coal miners get injured, they call Farmer, Cline, and Campbell because we know coal mining.
They work together as a team.
Everybody tried to blame Richard for his own accident, but we proved them wrong. We made them pay.
What they knew was plenty enough to get me what I needed.
It's a great feeling to know that we helped Richard have a brighter future.
I couldn't have made it if it wouldn't have been for them.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 346-5990.
There's one thing you don't want your boss to hand you.
A pink slip.
Often good people get fired when they shouldn't.
If you think your job problem should go to the courtroom, call us, Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
If you think you were fired because of your age,
or because you filed a workers' comp claim,
or for complaining about an unsafe working condition,
call us and hand your boss one of these, our business card.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 252-5990.
When you've been injured in a car wreck, you don't have time to wait for insurance company bureaucracy. You need your money.
Speed is what you need.
Call us from anywhere in West Virginia. We're Farmer, Cline, and Campbell. We'll do the work to get your claim moving, and we get no fee until you get paid.
You want every dollar you deserve? You want it now and to stay out of court?
Car wreck? We're Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
We just love to work fast.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 225-5990.
A car wreck with a big rig is no ordinary case.
Trucking companies have lots of lawyers that'll tell you no and make things very complicated.
Call us. We know how to turn no into yes.
We know the experts.
We know the trucking regulations that can get you paid.
And we know that often more than one company should pay.
There's a wreck with a big truck.
Call us, attorneys Farmer, Cline, and Campbell, because we know.
The trucking companies know.
Everybody knows. We'll work to make them pay.
Call 346-5990.
Hurt in a car wreck in north central West Virginia and need an attorney? Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is here in Morgantown at Suncrest Town Center.
But if you're in Beckley, we're at 101 North Canal Street.
In Charleston, look up. We're in the Sunrise Mansion.
In fact, if you could see us on TV, there's no need to come to us. We'll send someone to you.
Call us. We're Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
Our home and hospital visits are free.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 346-5990.
Car wrecks. No one expects to have one, but when it happens in West Virginia,
call Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
We can't stop a wreck, but we know how to get you all the money you deserve.
Dr. Bills, lost wages, pain and suffering.
We work to get you your money and try to keep you out of court.
We can't stop a wreck, but if you call Farmer, Cline, and Campbell, we'll make sure the insurance company pays you every dollar you deserve.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 346-5990.
We drive so often we forget how dangerous it is and how often car wrecks happen. If you get in one, call us. We're Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go.
Nice.
We've been dealing with the insurance companies for decades.
We know about their tricks and the money they're not telling you about.
Car wreck? Call Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
We've been hit.
Are you okay?
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 252-5990.
Justice. What is justice?
If you've been injured in a car wreck, you should get enough money to bring your life back to normal and pay for your pain and suffering.
That's justice. We're Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
When you choose us to get you justice, know that we have helped thousands of West Virginians.
We are so confident that we will get you paid, we charge nothing, ever, unless we get money for you.
Injured and want justice?
Call us, Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
And you've arrived at justice.
Call 346-5990.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell, helping you. That's what we do.
Oh my, I'm with the insurance company and we need you to sign right here, right now.
Insurance? Talk to my lawyer.
Not again.
It's the best phone call you can make.
Call 346-5990.
A little to your left.
Helping you is what we do.
The insurance company's making him an offer. Don't waste your time with unfair offers. Call Farmer, Cline, and Campbell. And the fairness meter will ring for you.
Call 346-5994.
Somebody hit us from behind.
The car plowed into the Haydens and they both suffered painful injuries.
My head hit the windshield. The car was totaled.
The insurance company didn't want to pay. Somebody had to push them.
Farmer Cline and Campbell took care of everything.
To me, that's what you get from having local attorneys.
We often drove to their house and on the last trip, handed them their check.
In my opinion, Farmer, Cline, and Campbell can't be beat.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 346-5990.
This statue symbolizes what makes West Virginia different than other places. It's our people. At Farmer, Cline, and Campbell, we take pride in being raised here, working here, and helping our people when trouble hits.
Well said, Doc. I'll take it from here. These guys here, these are my guys. You want to know why? Because they love West Virginia just as much as I do.
Now that is a real mountaineer.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the official partner of WVU Athletics.
If you ask an insurance company who they like, it wouldn't be Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
Because we won't let them get away with anything.
We fight them hard. Car wreck, they can't bully us.
We never stop fighting for you.
We know their tactics, and they know what happens when they see our name.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell wins a lot.
Insurance companies don't love us, but West Virginians do.
Because FCC puts you first.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 346-5990.
Robert, what are you doing?
Delivering a check to a client. Some places are really hard to get to.
Good idea. There's another.
Oh, great.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 346-5990.
Making a decision after a wreck can be tough.
It's terrifying to be in a car accident.
You're rattled, likely hurt, and worried you're in for some tough times. At Farmer, Cline, and Campbell, we put you first and do what's best for you.
You don't feel like a client, you feel more like family.
Our team helps you get your life back. We take on the fight with the insurance company and let you focus on recovering from your injuries.
We take the stress out of your life because this is about you.
It didn't matter how far away I was from their office, they would drive to me.
It helps being a West Virginian. Living and working here, we know and understand our clients.
We're your friends, your neighbors, and here for West Virginians when they need help.
They were focused on me as a person.
We're here to make sure you get all of the money you deserve because often the insurance companies don't want to pay, and that's why you need us.
I don't believe insurance companies will pay anything unless you make them pay.
We say courtroom strong and client friendly for good reason.
The settlement that I got was much larger than what I ever expected to get.
Our experience, knowledge, and drive are what get results for our clients.
At Farmer, Cline, and Campbell, we fight for you. And when we fight, we expect to win.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell got us 8 times as much as what the insurance originally offered us.
I didn't expect them to get the amount that they did.
Helping you is what we do, and our help comes in many forms.
If I had to have a lawyer again do something for me, I would definitely come here.
And they made it such an amazing experience that if anything would ever happen again, we would call them again.
If you get injured, remember Farmer, Cline, and Campbell puts you first. Growing up in Morgantown was great.
I grew up in Beckley, the perfect place to grow up as a kid. All of our attorneys live, work, and are licensed to practice in West Virginia.
West Virginians are entitled to the best. If something bad has happened to you and it is somebody else's fault, they should be responsible. That's what our mission is. Injured in a car wreck? Call Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 346-5990.
Growing up in Morgantown was great. I've had opportunities over the years to leave West Virginia. I'm just so connected to West Virginia, I will never leave. West Virginians are entitled to the best. If something bad has happened to you and it is somebody else's fault, they should be responsible. That's what our mission is. Injured in a car wreck? Call Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 225-5990.
I grew up in Beckley, the perfect place to grow up as a kid. Classic Southern West Virginia. All of our attorneys live, work, and are licensed to practice in West Virginia. It's important to hire a law firm that has lawyers that are licensed to practice here, that understand the laws here, that know the court system here. Injured in a car wreck? Call Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 252-5990.
We have created a truck accident team that is trained specifically on all of the duties and obligations required of truck drivers and trucking companies.
We have 3 lawyers here who all have Class A CDL licenses that authorize us to operate the biggest rigs on the road. Hands-on experience is invaluable. If you've been injured in a truck wreck, call the truck accident team at Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 346-5990.
Trust is the hallmark of Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
Usually something bad has happened and they need help. It's our job to understand what they're going through.
They are traumatized by something awful that's happened, but they have no real idea on what to do about it. They need somebody that they can trust. Trust Farmer, Cline, and Campbell if you've been injured in a car wreck.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 346-5990.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell has handled all sorts of cases, but primarily we focus on people that have been injured through no fault of their own.
Just because it's a small case in terms of dollars, that doesn't mean it's a small case to that individual, whether that's a $15,000 case or a $10 million case. It's our job to help them.
Their goals are important to them. That makes them important to us. Injured in a car wreck? Call Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 346-5990.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell started in 1996 with a couple of us. Today, we have about 60 people that work on behalf of clients.
Folks who have had a good experience with us are referring their friends and neighbors to us.
I think that our success relates to understanding that the client comes first. If you've been injured in a car wreck, join the thousands of West Virginians who have called Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 346-5990.
Right about the time I was passing a turnoff, he turned right in front of me.
We felt badly for Brandon. His medical bills were high.
Medical bills was outrageous, and it did worry me a little bit.
And the at-fault driver's insurance was low.
Their insurance started getting a little flighty.
We worked it out for Brandon, so his medical bills were paid, and he had money in his pocket.
They got every penny they could possibly get for me.
If you get injured, call Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
That's the biggest check I've ever got.
Call 346-5990.
Crystal was hit by an impatient driver with her kids in the car.
It's terrifying to be in a car accident when your kids are there.
The insurance company tried to keep Crystal's money. No way.
I didn't expect them to get the amount that they did.
Crystal and the kids recovered, and we are all happy about that.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell knows what to say and how to say it. I would definitely recommend Farmer, Cline, and Campbell.
FCC puts you first.
Farmer, Cline, and Campbell is the way to go. Call 346-5990.